video, hey. On YouTube? Yeah. That's Case 101 videotaping Dipsy Dipper here. He's grinding and welding.
My hair was burning there for a minute. Now back to plugging the welder in. Hey man, cameraman. For one, it's upside down. And it started wrong. Hey. What is going on? Back with this.
This is Case 101 videotaping Dipsy Dipper. He is literally annoying the fuck out of himself with my motorbike. About how worried. Fuck up. We just put this box on here today. It's like heavy metal steel.
Yeah, I put it on. I welded it.
I said we.
Come over here and show me what I'm doing on.
It's like heavy duty steel. Like,
hey man, I'm about to weld this.
damn.
I know what the fuck.
Oh my god.
Your wire speed's going way too fast.
I know it is. It's flipping right there. You need this? Dummy.
Yeah.
Picky, picky, picky.
No wonder why I could roll with the shit.
That's just gonna be going slow.
Yeah, that's how I like it. I like her going slow. I work better that way. So you always start off without using a helmet. Makes your eyes better. You just fucked it up. Now I can't see.
Watch this.
Turn that speed up. About 4.
Alright.
It's up.
Yeah. With the gloves?
Nope. Can't see shit with these fucking hood.
Don't cuss to the cameras, Zach.
What?
Don't cuss to the camera, Dipsky.
I know. Dude, this is about the hardest thing I ever welded in my life. It is. Damn, you fucking welded right.
That well.
These are Brady's welds.
You got that camera, dude?
Yeah.
Good.
Where's your good weld at, Brady? On the outside. Show me the good weld. Look it. Look it. I want to show you the good weld.
No.
These welds. These are Brady's welds. Look at these good welds.
Fucking serious.
You spend a lot of time on your knees, don't you, Dipsy?
No, you see what I just did?
Oh.
It's welder, man. The hell?
You don't know how to use it.
I give up.
You'll load it?
Yeah.
I'm better than you. Fucking 1,000 it. you saw the job.
No, I didn't. Fuck.
You want to look at my labs? I'm like right there.
So where's this not sticky? You want to take over? Here.
You're not doing it anymore?
Try it. Try to get her stick.
Look at my helmet.
Guys, look. Here's my welds over here. I got them tight in there. They're right there. I got them in there, but I was using a miller. For some reason I can't weld with that one. It won't stay, will it?
Oh. Nope.
You know what the hell's going on? Alright, David, guess we're doing what your plans was. Just wait till weld at my house.